Hi, my name is RV. I'm 29 years old. So I am the guy sa pusuan or laruan. So thank you so much sa lahat ng mga naka-appreciate sa akin, and I'm gonna create an honest reaction video sa episode 9 ng pusuan or laruan. So I hope you guys enjoy. So let's start the video now.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game, an LGBTQ plus edition of
Pusuan or laruan. Ten, ten, ten. Kailangan daw naka-mic. Ten, 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 nananananan. Oops, bakit nag-stop? Tananananan. Tan, tanananan. Nakakaba guys, yung habang nag-shooting kami nito, parang bago gawin lahat nung yung shooting namin, nag-ano muna kami, yung mga posing namin. So, pumila kami lahat. Habang nakapila kami, so waiting kami lahat. So ito, sobrang nakakahiya pa kasi like hindi pa kami nag-uusap-usap lahat. So imagine, kakahiya yung ginagawa namin, pero lakasan na lang talaga ng loob. Hey! So yung ginawa kong yun, ganun, ano yun, during that time kasi na Arcane, sikat pa yung Arcane, kaya yung ginawa ko I think is Jinx pose. So ayan, start na natin siguro yung sa part natin. Let's do it.
Congratulations! Alright, here comes our next sexy single.
Woo!
That's not energy. Hi, so what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, my name is RV. I'm 29 years old po.
Okay, and ano namang job mo? What do you do for a living?
I am a financial controller. Like more a professional accountant po.
Okay, and what do you like to do for fun? Or ano mga hobbies mo?
Bali, mahilig po mag-workout, tapos mag-travel din po.
Okay.
Tapos, I love to play with my cats.
Okay.
I have 2 babies. Si Cassie, tsaka si Marga.
Shout out to them.
So, yes.
Okay, so ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Physical?
So, si Cassie tsaka si Marga, ano sila, I'm not a big fan of Kadenang Ginto, pero kasi sobrang, nung na-receive ko si Cassie yung first cat ko, binigay siya ng papa ko. Tapos si Marga naman, binigay naman ng kapitbahay ko. So, parehas, hindi sila magkamag-anak, pero parehas silang, tawag ito, tuxedo cat. So, pinangalan ko sila. So, si Cassie, pag galit ako, ang tawag ko sa kanya, Cassandra. Si Marga naman, pag galit ako, tawag ko sa kanya, Margaret.
Or personality?
Siguro sa partner, siguro I like to have someone na yung gusto ng future together. Kasi I see myself living together with a partner. I don't want to find a partner na probably short term lang.
You want long-term na
Yes,
ready
po.
to settle down?
Ayun, sa akin naman, sabihin na natin, I understand na dating is not something na automatically you would see na magiging kayo agad in the future. Pero kasi, parang siguro ako, if ever, dalawa lang kasi yung naging ex ko. I only had 2 ex-boyfriends and 1 ex-girlfriend. So, para sa akin, mas okay kung halimbawa, kung magkakaroon ako ng long-term partner, you know, syempre, as much as possible, dapat parehas kami nag-look forward into settling down. So, yun lang. Probably.
Okay. And how about mga deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Siguro po, ayoko po sa tao na yung magka-clash yung personalities and probably magkaiba ng principle sa buhay. Ayoko po kasi nung tao na gusto nila yung marating yung isang bagay in a bad way or in a harm way. Because yung gusto kong sabihin dyan, ayoko ng tao na hindi malinis yung integridad because I'm a professional accountant. So, at the same time, gusto ko parehas kami ng principle sa buhay. Kasi I had an ex na magkaiba kami ng principle. So, you know, at the end of the day, magka-clash yun. So, as much as possible, if magkaparehas kami ng principle sa buhay, at the end of the day, magiging okay yung kakalabasan ng relationship.
I don't like people who harm other people.
Okay.
So, ayun po.
I don't like people harming other people. So,
Okay, so
ayun
right
lang.
now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon. So it's up to you. I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Ang hirap naman po.
May nakabahan na ako dyan.
And guwapo din.
Okay, and one more. Hi, so what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm Beng Tolentino, 26. I am an organizer or event organizer in a BPO setup.
And bakit hindi ka nag-pop ng balloon agad?
Actually, I was thinking kung ano yung reason kung bakit ko siya ipapop. So, mahirap kasi yung sobrang, I think, feel ko talaga, same wavelength kami. Parang, he's a cat person, I am a dog person, tapos...
So, si Peng, birthday niya, noong time na nag-shooting kami, inaasar namin siya ng birthday. Uy, birthday mo, happy birthday. Tapos, I feel like si Peng kasi nakaka-relate agad ako sa kanya and magaan yung loob ko sa kanya. So, ayun o, parang I feel like we could be good friends. And, yun yung nararamdaman ko towards him. Tapos, parang, parang to be honest, yung nagpa-pop talaga ako. Ang hirap mag-pop nung una kasi syempre hindi mo alam kung sino yung ipapop mo nung una, tapos at the end of the day, syempre parang kahit papaano, ang tagal na kasi namin nang nag-shoot na yan. So kahit papaano, parang medyo nakilala ko na sila in a way during pre-shooting pa lang. Pero this is just to set, this is not scripted at the end of the day. So, everything happened. Sobrang random lang. Bigla na lang ako napili. Ayan.
Average. Thinking niya. So, there's no reason for me to pop. And, ayun, parang, okay, sige, pinap niyo ako.
So, pwede naman ba sana siya?
Gladly, with the answer or with the background, yes.
Yung mata ko niya, nahihiya ako.
Bakit siya mong ipop?
Actually, ayoko po talaga mag-pop.
So, ba't ka nandito?
I mean, I like their aura po.
Okay,
I mean, yung aura po kasi, parang kumbaga it's energy na ginigive nila sa akin.
Okay.
And siguro, kaya ako na siya na-pop kasi parang kumbaga, probably on some other way, we might not work as a couple.
Okay. Anong nafe-feel mo just from the vibes?
Medyo magaan yung vibes niya po eh. So parang kumbaga, probably not in a romantic way.
Okay. So more often a friend kind of way.
Siguro if we will get to know each other, probably that's po.
Alright. Do you have any response to that?
Actually, ang ganda ng sagot. Tama yung parang, ang hirap kasi talagang hanapin yung romantic answer kung pares kayo ng wavelength. Parang masisira lang yon if you're not going to work as romantic couple. Diba?
Hi, my name is Rosti Malikdem. I'm 27. I'm working as an enhanced due diligence
Si
officer
Ross.
in a fintech company.
And bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Actually, nung sinabi niya kasi yung pusa, may pusa
Grabe yung mata ko dyan, nahihiya ako. So, ayun, while recording, I'm also live sa TikTok ko. You can also follow me on my TikTok account. And sa mga nasa live ko naman sa TikTok, you can also throw questions to me. Siguro sasagot ako after ng reaction video about the pusuan or laruan. So, yun.
Kaya ako. Tapos love na love ko yung pusa ko kasi siya yung first pet ko na pinag-awayan namin ng tatay ko. Kasi ayaw niya ng pusa. So, kinip ko lang siya. At the same time kasi
Tapos yung mga nagtatanong pala, so nung time na shoot namin yan, that was December. Tapos, unfortunately, December, parang after the shooting naman, parang doon nawala si Cassie. So, umalis na si Cassie sa bahay. So, kung napapansin nyo, wala akong kasama na cut ngayon. Si Marga naman, sa labas na, nasa galaan, so, ayun, hindi ko nakasama yung cuts ko as of now.
mukhang yung BL actor, kaya hindi ko pinap.
Sino?
Hindi, kamukha niya isa sa napanood ko. So, that's the reason why I want him to know more. Yun lang naman.
So, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Wait, tignan nyo guys, tignan nyo yung mata ko. Ulitin natin ha.
And bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng...
Kupinap.
Sino?
Hindi,
Sino kaya yung BL actor na kamukha ko?
So,
Sino
that's the
kaya?
reason why I want him to know more. Yun lang naman.
Tingnan niyo yung mata ko,
Naman
guys.
sana siya.
Pinapadikit ako kasi atras ako ng atras. So, atras sa bante ako dyan,
Yun
guys.
naman. I mean, I wanted to give a chance to each other. I don't have any preferences when it comes to a person that I wanted to be with. As long as na, yun, sabi mo nga na you wanted to settle things, and yun yung gusto ko.
Right. And how about on your end? Bakit siyang napili mong ipop?
Ano po, nahirapan po talaga ako mag-pop sa
Okay.
kanila kasi parang lahat sila, parang ang ganda po ng aura na energy na binibigay sa akin. Siguro kaya ako na lang po talaga siya na pop. Probably, siguro, parang kinumpare ko na lang po yung energies nila. Parang ganun na lang po. Pero, I mean, she's beautiful din po.
Okay. So right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. I'd like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your choice.
Do you consider yourself a people pleaser and why?
Hello,
Oh.
I am Christine Ilmasanque. I am 24 and I am
Please.
currently working as a fast food chain and service crew.
And yung answer?
Siguro, pleaser, kasi big word siya, to be honest. Kasi meron siyang negativity at meron siyang positivity way. So, kasi ako, pleaser ako sa taong sobrang mahal na mahal ko. Kapag, alam mo yung pinagsamahan namin, ayokong i-give up na lang. So, piniplease ko siya na to stay with me, to be with me, and then, di ba, ito, nasasayangan lang ako sa mga moment na nabuo namin. Kaya, siguro nagiging pleaser ako. Siguro,
My name is Yuri, 21, customer service representative. I would say I'm not a people pleaser. Kasi, ba't tayo magpi-please ng ibang tao? As long as alam mo sa sarili mo na you don't harm other people or you just do you. Parang hindi naman matter kung ano sasabihin nila sa'yo, like, why would you please them? That's just for me. Yun lang.
Thank you so much.
So, hi, I'm Justin, 23, EDOC student. So, sagot ko din is depende sa situation at sa tao. So, kung kinakailangan ko talagang i-please yung tao, talagang gagawin ko talaga yung pagmahal ko. Pero kung hindi naman talaga, I will cut off talaga. Ganun lang naman yun.
Hi, my name is Ramang Ubat, 25, from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, working as social media marketing. So, ang answer ko doon is, yes, I'm a people pleaser. Kasi siguro, dahil part na rin siya ng work ko sa social media marketing, you have to market everything. Yan. So, bukod doon, ayoko nang may masamang tinapay sa akin ng isang tao. So, gusto ko, yeah, we are all goods. Parang, all good in the hood.
Hi, my name is Chloe Camilo. I'm 27 years old and I'm currently working as tour operator or a travel arranger in a private company.
And anong answer mo sa question niya?
To answer your question, I am not. Because as a Libra person, I'm not going to cloud my judgment for any reasons kasi I can stand on my own. No matter what happened, I can stand on my own reason as long as it is on the right path.
Okay, so based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Siguro ako muna po kasi ako people pleaser din po kasi ako
Okay.
ng tao as a cat person. So parang,
Ganun ba lahat ng cat people?
kasi pag cat kasi, kailangan mo sila yung ipiplease
Please
po.
mo.
Okay.
Ganun kasi.
Alright.
Yes.
That makes
Compared sa
sense.
dog, yung dog kasi, yung dog yung
Sila.
nagpiplease sa amo. So parang,
Yeah.
pag cat dad ka, cat person ka, kailangan ikaw mismo yung magpiplease sa pusa mo. So ako din, consider myself people pleaser.
Okay. Okay, let's start over here. So, bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
first of all, mukha naman siyang interesado. Kasi mahilig ako sa older than me. Tsaka gusto ko kasi yung yung parang feeling ko naman yung vibe niya is tuturuan niya ako ng mga new things, which actually hindi ako mahilig sa pusa. Hindi ako, so parang siguro parang exciting naman. Why not? So hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ako nag-pop ng balon kasi dahil dun. Siguro gusto ko lang din makatry ng new fan siguro. Kaya ako rin, pero choose niya yan eh.
So, type mo ba sana siya?
To be honest, yeah. I'm a chubby person. Pero choice mo yan eh. Get lost.
Di mabait yun si Chris, mabait yun si Chris sobra.
Ano po, parang may nag-flashback lang sa akin nung sinabi niya nagbe-beg kasi.
Okay.
So parang I experienced with my ex, we beg for each other. So parang in a way, parang magulo siya kasi ako nagbibeg, siya nagbibeg. Parang on and off po kami. And siguro probably, mas gusto ko mas firm ka sa sagot. Sure, parang kung yung decision mo. If you like to stay, you'll stay. If you like to go, you can go.
Yeah.
Parang ganun po.
So, ayaw mo na maulit yun.
Yes po, yung parang
Parang siguro nagkaroon ako ng dyan. This is my personal experience na meron akong ex-boyfriend. Pangalawang ex ko. Dumating kami sa moment na pangatlong ex ko pala. So, tatlo palang ex ko pala. Nakalimutan ko. So, tatlo palang ex-boyfriend ko. Isang ex-girlfriend. So, yung pangatlong ex ko, ang ginawa namin, on and off kami, na to the point na bineg niya ako magstay. Tapos, dumating naman yung point na ako naman yung nagbeg magstay. So, parang for me, ayoko na maulit yung ganong moment na parang siguro, as much as possible, kung makakakilala ko ng bago, gusto ko, yung firm ka sa decision mo. Kung gusto mo magstay ka. Kung ayaw mo na magstay, then let me go. Let us, separate ways. Kasi, parang for me, since ako, I myself, very, kind of indecisive person, so, at the end of the day, parang for me, papahirapan lang natin yung isa't isa. Kung ganon.
babali kami na parehas kaming magbibeg sa isa't isa.
Do you have any response to that?
Sa tingin mo ba gagawa ka ba na ikaka-please mo sa akin?
What na?
Ang cute niyan. Napaisip ako. Sabi ko, ano ba yun? Kasi at the end of the day, naniniwala naman ako na na going through, in a relationship, hindi naman talaga perfect yung relationship. So, hindi naman natin alam kung ano mangyayari during the relationship. So, ang importante lang siguro sa akin at the end of the day is pares lang masaya and nag-workout yung relationship. And, siguro, at the end of the day, if it's a more matured relationship, that's, much healthier relationship.
Anything to say? Speechless siya bigla. Anything?
Wala akong masagot!
Ewan ko, parang feeling ko parang mauulit.
Joke lang si akin. Thank you. Naiintindihan ko naman kung ano yung yun. Pero yun na nga.
Oh my God! Bakit hindi ka nagpapagad ng balloon?
Eto kasi yon. So, nalulungkot ako kasi pinop mo ako. Actually, super interesting tsaka type talaga kita. Alam mo bakit? My first cat ay galing pa sa tatay ko, which is my Siamese. So, alam mo, grabe ko i-please yung cat namin. Especially pag may sakit siya. So, yung nagigive ako ng time, nagpupuyat ako para lang ma-please yung cat ko na gumaling. Lalo na pag buntis yun, ako talagang nag-give ng time para ma-care siya.
Ang cute ni Justin!
So, ganun ako ka-care sa cat. Ganon. So, and sa personality ng doktor
Uy! Si Chad Kinis dumaan!
Sayang talaga. So, at saka yung pagtingin mo sa future, lalo na yung nagkaroon na kasi ako ng live-in. So sayang. So, I want to try new with you naman. So, yun. Thank you.
Okay, and how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Parang nag-isip na po ako ulit.
What? So you want to give a balloon back? Okay.
Hindi, kasi na-touch siya ko eh. Kasi parang, siguro kaya ako pinap yung balloon mo kasi parang binase ko lahat ng sagot.
Okay.
Parang I give equal treatment. Kaso, parang, kumbaga, kasi ang sagot mo depende, di ba? So parang in a way, hindi siya firm.
Sigurado.
Kaso nung sinabi mo yung sagot mo, parang, alam mo yun,
Natamaan ka sa heart.
Yes, so, parang kasi syempre ibig sabihin nun, I'm willing to take care of you, I'm willing to shelter you and all. So, yun, parang,
Hila niya si ang cute nila.
Well, now we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So, magtanong ka ulit ng isang question to help you narrow down your choice.
Average naman.
Average? So, yung ginawa ko kasing question, guys, bago ako masalang, meron akong nilista lahat sa cellphone. So, naglista ako ng mga questions. Kasi yun nga, during the shoot, bawal kasi tumingin ng phone. So, parang sabi ko sa sarili ko, parang habang tumatagal, nilagyan ko ng easy, average, tsaka difficult. So, parang quiz B. So, kaya ito average.
Love language. Can you describe me kung paano nyo siya gagawin sa partner nyo?
So, let's start over here. Anong answer mo sa question niya?
Average po, 90.
Yeah.
Parang Pero okay.
Love language, sa giving ko, pati sa receiving, physical touch. Like, I want someone na really affectionate. Kasi ganun din ako I'm really affectionate Parang, doon ko mas napifeel na parang, mahal mo ako, ganun or something. Tapos, quality time. Both giving and receiving.
Okay, and hello again. Okay, yung answer mo sa question niya?
So, nagbabalik. So, physical touch, act of service, saka quality time. So, syempre, gusto ko kasi ako yung pinupuntahan and yung act na yun is pwede natin isama yung cut sa bonding, yung ganon. Yung gusto ko yung mga ganon na talagang doon tayo magkakasundo.
Cute.
At kung saan ka masaya, doon ako.
Sa giving and receiving ko, acts of service tsaka quality time po. Ayun.
Oh.
So, nabanggit niya kanina na gusto niya yung makakasama niya longer and for good. So, ganun po ako. So, ayun.
Cutie! Cutie Ram!
Parang pagkisilbihan kita and mamahalin kita ng lubos.
Ganda ng sagot ni Ram! Ganda ng sagot ni
My
Ram!
love language are physical touch and quality time. Well, physical touch, kasi I'm really clingy to my partner. So, if I'm gonna sell myself to you, so I will assure you that you will not have any problem with regards to physical touch, especially quality time. I love really quality time because I love to do something more with you na you find it exciting, but not only exciting, that you will make yourself feel na na-validate yung feelings mo. Yan.
Thank you so much.
Gaganda ng sagot nila, grabe!
So, based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Ay!
Alright, let's go over here. Bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon mo?
First, interesting naman siya and gusto ko yung hotness.
Grabe, tignan nyo guys yung reaction ko. Actually, parang kinakabahan na ako dyan. Iniisip ko, sino ba yung ipapop ko? Kasi ang gaganda ng sagot nilang lahat. Kumbaga, alam mo yun, kaso kasi, syempre, kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung show.
So, ang ganda rin niya tumingin sa future and ang ganda ng perspective niya sa buhay. So, I like it.
So, type mo sana siya.
Kinikilig ako dyan! Kinikilig ako!
And how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mo ipop?
Mahirap po magpili. Actually, sobrang bigat po kasi nung mga nabigay nung mga natira. Parang tumatak na po sa akin. So parang kaya...
So mas nag-resonate sa'yo yung answers nila.
Yes po. Pero to be honest, kagaya po ng sinabi ko kanina, lahat ng sagot po nila, if I would have a choice, lahat po, yun yung gusto kong sagot. However, since kailangan ko pong mamili, yun po.
Okay, and over here, bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Actually, I find it really attractive For me kasi, I really like how yung physical appearance niya since I really love chubby guys. And apart from that,
chubby guys!
If you don't mind, I will share it na lang din na since you told us na people pleaser ka. Well, I am one though, but in animals because I have dog as well and I have 2 cats. Yeah.
Ang ingay nila sa background, ang ingay nila, chismisan.
Parang ang akin is, it's your choice. Yan lang.
So, type mo naman sana siya.
Yeah, actually, it's really into my, to my bucket.
Kilig! Nikilig ako!
Chicken daw sa bucket. Okay, and how about on your end? Bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Sinabi niya kasi na cat parent pa na dog cat mom
Ngayon
pala
niya lang
siya.
sinabi.
Kaya nga so too late na siguro. Pero if I still have other opportunities, I can still meet her.
Okay, so we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman ang sila naman ang magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to see kung tama ka bang match for them.
Okay po.
So let's start over here. Anong question mo for our sexy single?
Since this is a pre-dating, and let's say, for example, na we're gonna be a potential partner.
Yeah.
If ever na hindi man tutol yung parents mo when it comes to sa setup ng relationship natin, ipaglalaban mo ba?
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, that's a good question. Ako kasi, I live independently, so I don't need my parents' approval. Pero, since I still have my parents, I would still, parang sabihin ko pa rin sa kanila. And to be honest, dito, pumunta ako sa dating show na to sinasabi sa akin ng mom ko, ano pupunta ka dyan? You're gonna meet guys, you're gonna meet girls, but not straight girls. But for me, I don't care. So, syempre, sasabihin ko. Hindi lang sa parents ko, popost ko pa sa Facebook, ganyan.
Grabe, kahit ako mismo, kinikilig ako sa sagot ko. So, parang sabi ko, na-realize ko doon na sobrang everything happened for a reason. Kasi yun nga, parang bago ako pumunta doon sa show, nagsabi ako sa nanay ko, sabi ko, Mami, punta ako sa show, ganyan, dating show. So, para at least aware siya na kung sakaling makikita niya ako sa YouTube or sa Facebook or saan man. Tapos, bali, ayun na nga, parang sabi niya kasi sa akin na, ano ba yan, mimit mo, di naman babae, mimit mo mga lalaki, ganyan. So parang, don't care. Ako, to be honest, I don't care. Pumunta pa rin ako. Because, I'm already an adult. I know what I have to do and I know what I love to do. And I don't even care if ever man ako. So technically, I'm not really out as a gay person. So, I'm a gay person. My pronouns are he, him. But I don't care, since I'm already working, I have my, I live independently and ako rin naman yung susustento sa sarili ko at the end of the day. So, it doesn't matter kung anong sabihin ng ibang tao sa akin. And, yun nga, since hindi nga conventional yung family setup ko, so, normally, hindi talaga ako nagsasabi sa parents ko when it comes to having in a relationship. However, most of the time, may mga nakaka-date ako. To be honest, pinapakilala ko sa nanay ko. So, may mga ilan na akong naka-dates na napakilala ko sa parents ko. So, ayun lang.
Okay, alright. I'll come back to you later. Anong question mo for a sexy single?
So, ready ka bang magmahal ng kaya ko? At kaya mo bang ligawan ako pati ang magulang ko?
So, yung unang sagot ko dyan, I have to be honest, nung nasalang ako sa pusuan or laruan, I haven't really dated trans, so, sobrang, ang dami na nangyari pre-production, hindi masyado maayos, hindi nila naayos. So, I can, pwede naman, siguro magkikwento ako about that on a different episode, on a different video. So, next time, maggagawa tayo ng ganyan content for that. Pero siguro for now, ayun naman ako. So, sabihin na natin kasi I also dated girls in the past. So, I also treat trans women as women. Kaso yun nga, hindi pa ako nakakapag-date ng trans. Pero kasi, ako mismo, meron akong mga nagiging crush na trans. Pero kasi, iba kasi for me, dating a gay person and dating a trans woman, magkaiba sila for me. Kasi parang, pag mag-date ako ng trans, syempre I have to date her as a woman. So, technically, torpe talaga ako. Until now naman, torpe pa rin ako. So, pag nagkaka-crush ako, madalas, hindi ko nang kinakausap. Basta I'm just, admiring from afar. So, actually, sobrang appreciate ko si Justin, especially after the show.
Okay. Siguro yung unang tanong, yes. To be honest, I haven't dated a trans, but I dated a girl before. And parang I still have this idea na I like pretty women.
Yeah.
So, I treat trans women as women. So, yes, that's my answer. And then, niligawan sa magulang, medyo hirap ako kasi hindi ako traditional. Parang yung family setup ko kasi is ako lang din mag-isa, yung parang independent. So parang so siguro medyo may hirapan ako dun sa setup na yon. But I would still ask if ever yun yung kailangan.
Okay, so since hindi sila nag-pop ng balloon, it's up to you to choose one balloon based on your interactions.
Hindi na po pwede magtanong sa kanila.
Maybe later when you choose one.
Ayan na guys!
Oh, okay. Siya na nag-choose for you. Okay, let's go over here. Ano nangyari? Grabe. Walling. Okay, so ano nangyari?
Actually, kanina ko pa talaga gustong ipop yung balloon. Syempre, gusto ko lang din mabigyan ng chance, gusto kong malaman. Pero ang pinaka-reason ko kasi ba't gusto ko ipop yung balloon, kasi ang sabi mo, you're looking for someone na you can live with na, kumbaga parang live-in or what. Kumbaga based on her answer kasi mas nakikita ko yan for her.
Okay.
Tsaka din sa last question ko, feeling ko mas nasagot mo yun. Yung tanong niya. Kasi sa tanong ko, kasi parang hindi mo siya directly nasagot. Parang nagbigay ka lang ng situation.
Yeah,
So,
correct.
ako na yung nag-pop sa akin para, diba? Okay.
You're welcome daw.
Yeah.
Did you have any response to that?
Nasad ako. Kasi,
Nasad ka?
yes, kasi inaay ko na rin siya.
Paano yan?
Opo.
Oy, ilang balik ng balon yung mangyayari sa round na to? Kasi naman, wala desisyon yung isa dyan.
Nasad talaga ako dyan. Sobra.
Myself kasi talaga like yung hindi, not really romantic. In a way na parang yung we live together na. Kasi I'm breadwinner kasi first of all. Saka, I'm 21, so parang I still have more to explore.
Well, thank you so much. And we have one balloon left, so let's go over here. Okay, so before I ask you guys, do you have any final questions for each other? Ikaw, meron ka bang question pa sa kanya?
Parang wala na naman.
How about your end? Meron ka ba bang question para sa kanya?
Uy, thank you, Aero, sa gift.
And the winner is...
Sabihin na natin, since, di ba, ang setup mo, you still have your cats, and then you still live with your family.
Ayun, actually, simula nung yun na nga, na-pop yung balloon sa akin. Na-pop yung balloon, parang... Ay, sobrang nasad na talaga ako doon. So, parang naisip ko na, parang sabi ko, nasaktan ako yung feeling na may, uy, grabe, thank you sa gifts. Na-realize ko na parang, ayoko kasi yung feeling na pinapamigay sa iba. So, feeling ko kasi the way na it happened is, di ba, parang may nag-pop, pinop niya yung sarili niya para mag-giveaway dun sa isa. Ako naman, I really appreciate that. That's really a brave move. However, for me, as parang sa perspective ko, nasaktan ako. Kasi yun nga, parang na-realize ko, parang I'm a human being. Ayoko na pinapamigay lang sa iba. Hindi ako gamit, hindi ako So parang alam mo yun, ang daming nag-flashback sa akin during that moment. Even my family days na parang wala lang. Sobrang naiiyak lang ako doon na parang I'm very glad na at least hindi ako naging very emotional during that moment. Pero, ayun na nga, a lot of things are going through my head na what should I do? Should I pop her? Should we, should Justin and I pair together? Pero at least after these questions, binigyan ko pa rin ng chance.
Hindi, not really romantic. In a way na parang yung we live together na. Kasi I'm breadwinner kasi first of all.
So, forward na ulit natin.
So, since graduating ako, kakatapos ko lang ng practice teaching ko, so malapit na nila din akong i-let go at hayaan kung saan daw ako masaya.
Alright, so... Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
100%.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Papap ko po siya.
Oh! Okay, go ahead. Lahat na nag-walling.
Siguro gusto ko muna sabihin, kasi parang, di ba, since kakagraduate mo lang, so, you still need to provide to your family first. So, I like the idea na your family is willing to let you go. Pero, kasi kapag, when you talk about live-in, you have to be ready. You have to be ready financially, emotionally, mentally. And, so, parang naiisip ko na, syempre, parang kumbaga, we still need time. Parang yun yung naisip ko. Kumbaga, I like her personality. I like someone who will take care of me then. Pero parang, kumbaga,
Situation lang.
yeah, situation.
Circumstance.
Kasi parang she's still with her family.
Yeah.
And I feel na her family still needs her pa.
Do you have a response to that?
Kung sa family naman, so it's okay, pero not totally needed naman talaga. Kasi isa na lang kasi ang papagraduating namin since third year college na rin naman siya. So, may balak na rin naman mag-retire din naman ng parents ko.
Ilan kayo magkakapatid?
4. 3 lalaki, mga kapatid ko. So, last na lang yung papagraduating nila mama at papa na third year college na rin. So, malapit na rin gumraduate.
So, parang after nyo gumraduate, parang okay na, gano'n.
Settled na. Ikaw, nasa'yo naman yan.
So, sorry, indecisive. Naging indecisive ako.
Okay.
Sobrang indecisive ko talaga sa person.
Papop ko na lang po.
Okay. Okay. Ito na naman sila walling. Okay. So, yun talaga. Because of the situation and circumstance, hindi mo nakikita na mag-work out at this time.
Siguro parang una, kasi parang ang system, binigay niya sa kanya na parang ikaw na lang. So, parang sa akin.
So meron ka bang preference ba sa lineup?
Siguro yung pakiramdam na parang siya na lang sa'yo.
Okay. So, hindi mo nagustuhan yun?
Yes po.
Sila nag-decide for you?
Yes po. So, parang nangyari kasi, di ba parang, sige siya na lang. Though, I like her. Pero kasi, parang yun po yung, na parang nasaktan din ako. Nasaktan ako sa, niya.
Gusto nyo kayang 3 na lang? Pwede na naman?
Okay lang.
Sorry daw.
Yes.
Okay, alright. Hindi kayo nag-match today, but thank you so much for joining. And I hope you can join again next time. Sorry, but thank you so much. Alright, thank you. And that.
So ayun guys, if you like my video, if you like this reaction video, please like, share, and subscribe. Ayun, this is my full reaction video. So ayun, sobrang after the show naman guys, nakapag-usap naman kami and ayun, nag-sorry kami sa isa't isa. And na-settle naman namin yung mga nangyari during the shooting na sabi nga, uy, talaga bang nasaktan ka? Sabi ko, oo. Tapos, pinaintindi ko rin sa kanila kung bakit ako nasaktan, kung ano nangyari. Tapos, so ayun, wala tayong nakamatch during episode 9. So, mag-reaction video na ako for episode 10. So, since naka-live din ako sa TikTok right now, baka bago ko end yung video, pwedeng mag-answer tayo ng ilang mga questions. So, sa mga currently nanonood sa atin sa TikTok, baka may question kayo ngayon about, episode 9. Kung meron lang naman. Pag wala, we can end this video na. So, ayun, check tayo ng questions. So, this is episode 9. Ayan. So, I think wala na yatang question. So, yun lang. See you on the next videos. And I hope you can also follow my TikTok account, IG_cutekido. You can also check my Facebook, RV Rito. You can also check my IG account, The Nerdy Fund Accountant. So, ayun guys, upload ko na to. And I hope you're gonna enjoy this reaction video. Bye! Bye!